Today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram Explore page problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and now scroll down to the apps section. Now go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay. So now go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache. Click on it. Now you can go check if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone. And if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, you lose all your Instagram's data and files. This includes files, databases, settings, accounts, etc. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.